Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2004 Chevrolet Corvette. This vehicle is featured in deep red metallic paint with chrome alloy rims. It's a soft top convertible. We have adjustable bolster and lumbar support, as well as a CD player and rear wheel drive. Now onto the interior of the Corvette. On our door panel we have our black and brown two-tone. We also have our lock and unlock, door handle, memory seat option, window and mirror controls, automatic down in the front, BOSE speaker, and power adjustable seats with bolster and lumbar support controls just off to the side here. Left of the wheel we have our lighting controls, fog lights, and our trunk release, gauge cluster, leather wrapped steering wheel, then we have our radio. You can see we have a CD player. Beneath is our dual zone climate control center. Underneath that, we have some additional storage and a cigarette lighter, cup holder, gear selection stock, button to change gears on top, manual park brake, traction control, and side opening padded center console lid. Back of the center area, we have our Corvette badge on a paint matched piece in the rear. Then our seats are featured in tan leather with Corvette badging and perforated leather in the lower portion. Then we have a full black headliner above. Now back onto the exterior, we can see our chrome alloy rims with Corvette badge center caps and Corvette badging on the brake calipers behind. We have our paint matched mirror caps. Go ahead and show you the pop-up headlights now. Just twist the stock. Up they go. And it's a soft top convertible with rear defrost lines. And our Corvette badging around the back. And quad chrome tipped exhaust. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2004 Chevrolet Corvette. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.